Hello everyone, this is Miss Dash. Today's class about some motor fitness exercise along with some stretching and balance exercise. So at first we need to warm up our body. So for that we have to do those spaces less. That's why we are going to do spot jogging. So when we are going to jogging, that time our hand should be bent, means our elbow must be bent. It will not be straight like this. Okay, we will move our elbow like this. So on the spot we are going to start jogging. So start little bit jogging, then jump, again jogging, then jump, then jogging, then jump, again jogging, then jump, jogging, then jump. So this way you will continue 2 to 3 minutes. After that we are going to do the jumping jack exercise. So jumping jack, start 10 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this way you can continue repeatedly. You can do it after 10 times, then break, then again 10 times. Okay, 2 times. After that we are going to do some exercises from head to toe. So rotate your neck first, front and back. So down, front, up and front, down, front, up and front. Then left to right, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front. You can repeat it 2 to 3 times. After that, hand rotation. So hand at first in front 10 times and at the back also 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Then backward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So after that, next one, touch your shoulder and rotate again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Backward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now we will do alternative up and down. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So after this we are going to do bending. So at first from left side we are going to start. So each side 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. The same way we have done both the side 10 times. Now we will do front and back. So I'm showing you sidewise. So you have to, in front when you are bending, you have to touch your toes, and at the back how much you can. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, after this we are going to do stretching on our legs. So at first we will start from our left leg first. So left leg in front, only right leg will bend. We are going to sit at the back. So we have to imagine that our back, in our back a chair is there. So just imagine, keep your upper body straight and only slightly try to sit at the back. Okay, now we are going to do opposite leg. Slowly, don't up your toes. Toe must be touch the floor. Okay? Yes, this way. I'm going to show you sidewise. Again, left leg first. Sit. Then right leg. Sit. Okay? Then next one, we are going to bend our front leg. So same way, we will take our left leg in front. Now this time only front leg will bend and back leg must be straight. Only touch your waist and just push forward. Okay. Opposite leg. Again I'm going to show you sidewise. Left leg in front. Just push. Don't keep your heel up. It must be touch the floor. Okay. Opposite leg. Now next one. Feet apart, more than shoulder level gap. Okay. Now alternative toe touch. Each side we will touch 5 times. Okay. Hands up. Just cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. From here, next one is we have to touch our both toes and back bending. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to show you sidewise. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Relax. Next one is just lift your left leg up and hold. Hold for 10 counts. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same way, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It will help you to balance your body. And next one is same way we are going to do it, but we have to pull your knees towards your body like this. Stretch up and hold. Try to hold for 10 counts. Okay? Same way, right leg up and pull. Then we have to bend our leg at the back this way. Hold your left leg first, up and stretch. Try to pull towards your body and hold up to 10 counts. And same in right leg also. And now the last one we are going to do the stretching of our ankles. Okay, so last one we have to interlock our fingers and just open it, stretch up and come on your toes. Just stretch up and hold, balance up to 10 counts and slowly hands down. This one you can do repetition three times you can do it. And now our all body warming up is done. So these exercises you can do every day at your home without any props. So I think it will help you to keep your body fit. Okay, thank you.